You ain't nowhere near holding the ball.
All right.
No, Haley. No, it won't never look like that.
All right.
Just get him.
No games have been played.
What is it you see? What is it you see? Tell me, why do you believe in me? Would you keep your schedule free for me? Love it here, please. Go on, get deep for me. This kind of love is free. Go on.
What's up, YouTube? It's Haley Aliana, and I'm back again with another video. In today's video, we're going to be going to multiple different parks. I think we're going to Magic Kingdom and another park, but I'm not sure. But I know for sure Magic Kingdom. I'm currently just outside. I'm outside by the pool, and y'all, it's kind of chilly, and I guess we didn't really expect that too much for it being Florida, but it's kind of chilly outside today. So we have the Nike set, tight set, but I'm not wearing any shoes. I'm wearing my Nike tennis shoes that I showed y'all in the last video. So and then I think I'm gonna like pair it with like a little black Nike jacket, since it is a little chilly, and I know it's gonna be more chilly during the nighttime. Y'all, this Airbnb, I don't know, I just feel like with an Airbnb you could probably take better care of it, I would say, because you know, people are staying here and they're paying their money, so you want to make it as homely as you can. But yeah, y'all, I'm so hungry. Usually my uncle, he takes his time out in the morning to go get us breakfast, but he didn't do that this time. So it looked like we're just gonna be hungry going to this park. So and then he talking about, oh, nobody woke up. How we gonna wake up if nobody wakes us up, you know? So when I get to the park, I'm gonna bring you guys with me and vlog there. So I'll see y'all in the next clip. Okay, you guys, we are now inside of the park. We had to go get the tickets and things of that nature. I know y'all hear me say that a lot, but we had to go get the tickets, and now we're taking like a few little pictures before we go like inside of the park, because we're still not like all the way inside. We have to go through the I wouldn't call it TSA, but you know, security, where they check your bags and do all that and make sure you ain't got nothing. So then we're currently at Epcot, by the way. Epcot with the big golf ball behind me. You guys see it? Yep. During these hours, the park closes at like I think this one closes at 9. They close a little bit earlier since it is the holidays, the Christmas holidays. Oh, look at Donald. Right there. You don't see Donald right there? Okay, guys, my hair is acting up so bad because I didn't put any product in it. Well, I did put a little mousse, but it's not enough to save it. We are currently waiting in the frozen line. So it's a 2-hour wait, but I doubt it'd be that long. Yeah, I forgot to mention that I have actually been to Disney before, but when I came, I was like in the 2nd grade, so It's kind of new to me, but kind of not. And I don't think it had the Frozen ride attraction when I came. But yeah, we're just waiting in line to get on the ride. So yeah.
Look at the Ola.
Oh. Okay, guys, we just stopped to eat something. I think this, what is this place called? I don't know, but it's based off the movie Coco. And we got some Mexican food.
Can somebody hand me them wipes I was telling y'all about?
Hold on to my jacket. It's like, yeah.
You're here today for flight training. The most.
Go ahead and follow me.
Proceed to flight stations. Rows 6 and 5.
Store personal items in the compartment in front of you. Then reach up and pull down on those strings.
It's tight up in here.
Capcom to X2. Welcome aboard, team. After you get settled aboard. During the mission, you will be adjusting the pitch of the X2 if necessary, and firing thrusters for your descent. Pilot, the X2 is an excellent ship. Your job will be to trigger first stage separation and trigger the landing.
That's why you were trying to run. I did. Oh. Nemo! Where are you, Nemo? Who's Nemo? Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Oh, I'm thinking of
Oh, that's a nice video. That's a nice video. Okay, give me. I got you.
What I'm doing?
To where it look like I'm holding the ball. Let me know. Do it look like it, y'all?
No,
Up or back?
I don't know.
Are you not looking at the camera?
Yeah,
Okay, now make it look.
I don't know how to make it.
You ain't nowhere near holding the ball.
Right,
No, Haley. No, it won't never look like that.
right. You say it was looking like that for me?
No.
Okay. It's just recording, right?
Yeah.
I swear. If I show you the video, you're gonna be like, oh, it makes.
Just answer the question, okay? Please don't play with me right now. Just, no, that's it. Please. Let's not, please.
Okay, guys, we are back at the house. Today drained me. But, yeah, y'all done lost all my earrings out my ear. I came and took my hair down because my scalp was screaming for relief. But, yeah, we're back home. And I think we're in for tonight. I don't think we get no food or anything because we ate at the park, as you've seen. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow when we go to Animal Kingdom.
1 day later.
Today's a new day. But there is no sunshine. Nothing but clouds in the sky. Something. Y'all know how the gospel song go. Today is a new day. And today we're going to what's it called? Animal Kingdom. And like I said, today is a new day, but there is no sunshine. It's pretty gloomy outside, and I'm hoping that it's not raining because I just got a super press. Well, I got one last week, but to be honest, it's kind of already on its last leg. But I'm really not trying to ruin it already, you know. So I'm bringing a poncho and everything because we're supposed to be going on a water ride too. I know how those water rides do. So I might be ghetto and I might bring like a Walmart bag to put over my head because I'm not playing no games. Now I didn't pay $100 for the super press for it to get messed up early. I ate breakfast this morning. I forgot to show y'all that, but I ate breakfast this morning because my people cooked eggs, bacon, grits, all that. So I'm fed, and I've been trying to hydrate a little bit with some water so I don't get dehydrated in the park, even though it's not really hot, but still. So now my auntie's ironing my shirt, and after that I will see y'all in the next clip when we get to Animal Kingdom. Okay, so we're at Animal Kingdom, and we just went like through the TSA thing. And y'all, my auntie, she should say hey. My auntie, she always bringing something that has like metal or something in it. So she dinged when she went through like the little the metal detector thing. So yeah, she has to go get checked. Why the rest of us, we're clear. So, but y'all, she didn't bring anything like dangerous. I just think she brought like a metal tin or something. So yeah, she has to go get that checked. So I will see y'all. Oh, hope I don't fall back in. Okay.
Yeah, but then you can see.
Paid it in there.
That's fine. Okay, you see all the scenery?
Yes.
Find out where the Yeti is, real quick.
These cake pops are so cute and they look so good. I've never seen like the little crystal ones. Maybe that's peppermint flavor or something. Okay, you guys, we reached our first little ride on the Animal Kingdom. It's the Kilimanjaro Safari. And y'all, this line is so long. I'm gonna show y'all the back of me. And that's not even all of it. And then it's a delay, y'all. Disney had all these rides delayed and shut down and stuff. But it's delayed because the animals, something, they blocking the path or whatever. So we're gonna see how that goes. And then I'm gonna record the little animals that we see.
See? I'm not going to be. They're the closest living relative to the giraffe. That's because of their similar skull structures. Now, when they're born, they're going to weigh about 85 to 100 pounds. They can mature to be about 5,500 pounds on average. One more time, stay fully seated for me back there. Stay seated. Their long legs are going to help them travel at about 35 miles an hour over a short distance. And they can match work on their furry coats. They're able to identify one another up to a mile. Now, males do tend to be a lot more solitary and independent. 5 feet. They're also the lightest shade of pink, and that's because when they're born, they're the color gray.
Okay, we're finna get on the rapid river ride or something like that, and y'all got my silk press, so I'm finna put my sour cap on, and ain't nobody gonna tell me nothing because who? But yeah, I play no games. I got a silk press. But yeah, it's a 5-minute wait. So
Just get them.
no games have been played. Huh? Why? You scared?
No, I don't want to be wet.
Oh. You boring, y'all?
Tour of our rainforest.
This is so scary.
Learn fun and interesting facts. And if you watch the sky closely, you may even see a shooting star go by. Come join us,
one of her eyes
have
messed
fun,
up.
and learn all about my friends and home.
Okay, so we made it to the Rainforest Cafe. Y'all, so nice in here. As you can see, sitting here with the family. Say hey, y'all. They buzzkills, but oh y'all, somebody birthday. But I'll show y'all a clip of my food when I get it.
Be here. They'll fire you in a minute.
Well, then watch this. You humans
have always seen us as monsters. If you had it your way, you would destroy us all. But you never will, because we outnumber you 200 million to 1. Maybe it's time you honorary bugs got a taste of your own medicine! What? They're mine. Bug bombs, zappers, sticky little motels. Nothing can stop us. Ha! Nothing!
That might be for that Navi ride. Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around.
Okay, to get
Expeditions, we can now bring this amazing experience to you. The way you'll be able to fly is by linking to an avatar that's already on the back of an Ecron. Let's see how this works.
We establish a link using powerful psionic amplification equipment. A human driver is connected to an avatar, which could be physically hundreds of kilometers away.
Okay, so this is gonna be the end of this video. We just came back from Animal Kingdom and we are ending our night here. Today was very fun. We got on the Avatar ride. Avatar was my favorite park. Was my favorite park of Animal Kingdom, hands down. They really did their thing with that. And now we're in front of the Christmas tree. And I will see you guys in the next video when I go to Hollywood Studios and Magic Kingdom. Okay, bye. See y'all.